Today we are gonna discuss about Article 12 of the Indian Constitution that gives the definition of what state. Basically, the fundamental rights are enforceable against the state. So, under Article 12, there is the definition of state. So, what does the state include under Article 12? Basically, state includes the government of India, government of states, each state like UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, sort of, है ना, the parliament and state legislature and other local authorities, okay, other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India. So as we can see in this part, that is part 3, unless the context otherwise required, the state includes what? The government of India, parliament of India, government and legislature of each of the states, government of state or legislatures of states, and all local or other authority within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India. Okay, now basically the purpose of Article 12 is to define state, because it is states against whom the fundamental right can be enforced. Okay, and it makes states actions subject to what? Constitution limitations, like the government and parliament of India. And so government of parliament of India includes what? The president, PM, council of minister, parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Okay, government. And the second one is government and legislation of states. What does this include? What? Governor, chief ministers, council of ministers, state legislative assembly, state legislative councils, and then comes the local authorities. What does the local authorities means? Municipal corporations, municipal councils, nagar panchayat, district board, port trust, and other local authorities. Okay, and then there is another term called the other authorities. What does other authorities include? Other authorities includes statutory corporation like LIC, ONGC, FCI, and government companies, universities, PSUs. Okay, like the instrumentalities of state. And there is a test to determine the other authorities. Now the other authorities. How can we determine the other authorities? So for that we have a test to determine what? Test to determine other authorities. So basically there are few tests which have been given in like RD Sethi case and Ajay Hasia case. So if there is an entire share capital held by government, then it can come under the other authority. If there is a deep and pervasive government control, then yes, it indicates state, then it comes under the other authorities. If the authority performs what? Public functions, then it can also come under the definition of state. If there is a financial assistance from government, then it can also come under the definition of state. And if there is a monopoly status conferred by the state, then it can also come under the definition of state. So if any of these, or if the majority of factors satisfied, the body can be treated as state under Article 12. Okay.